And one for you. If he takes it from you, it's not my fault. And he's an asshole. I see him in the water.
Those are those other guys down there.
Huh?
Those were the assholes. See? Look.
Oh, those are the badasses.
Yeah, they're mad.
Hey, y'all hush. No one's talking to y'all. Look, they're getting pissed off because we're feeding these guys. You want some? Come on, I got something for you.
Ain't they talking shit to you?
Yeah. Ain't so funny now, huh? Here, y'all can have another one. Just get your ass, whole friends together over there. Hey, you got two. You need to chill out. No? What? What? No. No. I'm scared of you. I used to be at one time, but...
They're mad you ain't giving them no french fries.
How you doing? Nice. Got the bullies right there. Chasing these guys over. Things are bad for him. Okay?
Huh?
Things are bad for him?
I don't know. It's potatoes.
Not really. Here.
They didn't even pay attention. Oh, they got it. He's like, dude, what are you eating? What are you eating?